WordTech is proud to announce our new and improved website. At WordTech.com you'll find the same great products, now with enhanced e-commerce capabilities and more engaging content. We're asking all users to create new accounts to shop the new site. Simply go to WordTech.com. You may be prompted to choose your country of origin to determine the ideal website settings for your needs. In the upper right-hand corner of the homepage, click Register. Enter a valid email address. Then follow the prompts to set up your account. We'll need your name, a phone number, your company name, and an address for billing and shipping. Click Create My WordTech Account, and then check the inbox of the email address you used to set up your account. Follow the link to create your password. Now you'll be able to log in and shop. Stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most of the new features at WordTech.com.